just a small bit of progress this week on the Ford Truck Month group build. As I said, I'm doing the 78, actually doing the 77. I got a 77 grill to go in that, but I'm doing the 4x4. I was busy with Dad in the hospital for a couple days this week, so I didn't get a lot of stuff done. It's a finicky four-wheel drive. Well, it's an old tooling, so it's I don't know if it's finicky or if it's just I don't have the patience anymore, but it's going together little by little. And motor. Also got at least the inside and the bed, the bed wall, and I got the inside parts done. I got to put the rails in the bottom yet, but getting some gluing done, some good sub-assemblies on this so far, and we'll have more later.